The Justice Minister, Delroy Chuck, is again appealing to victims of domestic abuse to seek help. This amid concerns that cases remain alarmingly high. Mr. Chuck says there are still far too many incidents being reported, raising serious concern about the safety of victims across the country. The Justice Minister stressed that domestic abuse is a critical national issue that requires urgent and sustained action.
There's absolutely no reason why a man should put his hand on a woman. It must stop. While you can run away from the fist of the woman frequently can't run away. But it is important, Justice of the Peace, that you assist in directing families in dispute or who have unstable relationship to seek counseling.
He also called for justices of the peace to play a more active role in tackling domestic violence. According to Mr. Chuck, their responsibilities extend beyond simply signing documents.
We have a justice centers in every parish. We have victim services, restorative justice, mediation, and other forms of counseling that we can use to assist families in dispute. And Justice of the Peace, their commissioner is here. I always preach that the JP, from 800 years ago in the beginning, they were the ones who ensured that there was justice and peace in the counties and boroughs of England and the UK. And we have adopted that